Welcome back to KCCI at 6:24 now. We're here with Kurt Pearson from Compass Financial this morning, and we are talking about the recent stock market volatility.
Yeah, Kurt, so we got some good economic news. That seems good. And we also know that the Fed kept interest rates low. That seems good. But the market doesn't seem to be jiving with that. Why?
No, a lot of times when we are beginning to enter a transitional phase in the stock market, sometimes good news actually turns out bad because they begin to see that, okay, more good economic news means the Fed is probably going to raise interest rates or get concerned about inflation. And so I'm beginning to see that over this past quarter. Of course, stocks were down about 5-6% over the past quarter. Not a good quarter, the worst quarter in 4 or 5 years. And so something to keep an eye on as we head into the fourth quarter coming up.
And so how are consumers reacting to this? Do you think this is going to have a big impact on spending overall?
Yeah, consumers are a little fickle because sometimes the financial headlines or their perception of the financial headlines can impact, well, it impacts all of our spending decisions, and perception is reality. So we did see consumer confidence tick just a little bit higher in September, which is good. If that continues, you know, retailers could expect some really good holiday sales, which would, create a good state for the market probably and everything. So, you know, we'll see how that all shakes out.
It's an important time of the year for them and for everybody as they're kind of wrapping up the year.
Yeah, I mean, jobs are ticking along pretty good in terms of people working. Sometimes it's not only your perception of what's going on in your situation, but you're looking kind of down the street, what's happening with our neighbors. Are their jobs secure? Are they getting up and going to work every day, bringing home the paycheck? So a lot is going on in the mind of the consumer, and that's 2/3 of our economy. So it's very important to monitor
impacts our
that.
decisions. Exactly. Well, Kurt, thanks so much for coming in. Great tips there. If you have any questions for Kurt yourself about your money, you can give him a call at Compass Financial. That number is 327-1020.